So guys, this is my international TikTok account and I've been able to have 1 million. Can you guys see it here? This is my 1 million view on my international TikTok account. Can you see that? And I have 55k likes and I have my profile view 7,007, and you can see all of this here. This is saying that your baby girl is monetized on TikTok. Anyways, in this video today, I will show you how much I've been able to earn from this 1 million views. Okay, yes, let's just use 1 million because I already have over 1 million views, but let me just use 1 million so that you can get your analysis, so that you can also know if you want to still open your international TikTok account or you don't want to open your international TikTok account, or if you still want to buy. Let's just dive right into this video. I know that a whole lot of persons have been waiting for this video of how much TikTok pay me on my international TikTok account. If you've not watched the video I did before you get your international TikTok account, watch this. Go and actually watch that video, because I believe that that video will actually save you a whole lot and will also help you to make decisions, okay? So in this video today, I am practically here to share with you how much TikTok pay me for my international TikTok account. And I'm going to go into my studio because you guys know that Sonia don't have secret, okay? I am as open as anything. So if you're looking for a way of getting international TikTok account, you want to buy international TikTok account, you want to monetize your videos on TikTok, you want to start earning on TikTok, just know that you need 10,000 followers, you need 100,000 views, and you must be up to 18 years and above, okay? With all of that being said, so it doesn't look like I'm ranting too much, let's just dive right into this video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. Anyways, I'll be attaching my screen record either here or here, whichever one. Let's just dive right into starting my screen record. International people, let's go. So my screen record will be all started and I'll be doing a silent screen record. Yes, and then I will head straight into my TikTok account. So let's go to my TikTok account. This is just my video coming on my FYP. For those of you that don't know, I have 2,400. I've been following 2,400 and something people. My followers on TikTok, which is my international TikTok account, is 11,900. And you can see my likes, 61.3k. You can see my videos here. Don't tell me that my videos are not doing well, okay? My videos are really doing well. I want this to load so that you can see. I have a videos of 100k. I have a video of 50k. I have a video of like close to 200k. You can see this Message Chinwo's video and every other video that you guys are seeing. You can see a video of 150k, 102k, and the rest of that. So I have the rights to do how much TikTok pay me. And if you don't know, I've been monetized for over a month now. I think close to 2 months or more than 2 months. I also have a video of 192.5k. So with that being said, let's go into my analysis. So I click on that 3 dots line and I'm going to click on TikTok Studio. So I'll wait for it to load. Yes. And all of these plays are means that you can make money, right? Video gift, live gift, work with artists, creators, a marketplace, subscription, creators reward program, of which the creators reward program is where your videos get to make money. So let's click on the creators reward program because I don't go live on this account, okay? If it's account I go live, it is different from this one, okay? So here is it. For the past 7 days, £0, okay? That does not mean I have not been making money, so just calm down. That is to tell you that I have not posted for the past 7 days, yes, on TikTok. I'll be getting into why. So these are my videos. These are how much my videos are making. You can see 0.01, 0.14, reward of 1 cent or £1. You can see 0.14. You can see that some of these, my videos are showing 0.000. TikTok is trying to tell me that they are not qualified views. I created this video myself. I edited this video myself. In fact, let me play one of the video for you guys. This is the video I did about those other people. You can see my face here. This is another video about messaging. So guys, sweet and emotional videos of messaging visit to her grandpa. There is no video I did here that I don't follow the rules and regulation of TikTok. I follow their rules in as much as possible for them to give me the same qualified views. But TikTok said the views are not qualified. So you can see it here. So let's just go into 30 days. For the past 1 month, can you please load? For the past 1 month on TikTok, I've been able to earn 0.36 cents. You can see it here. They are telling me that the only qualified views I have is 7.9K. And TikTok is also telling me that my RPM is 0.04. That's just 4 cents. Or what do they call it when it comes to pounds? You guys can see it all here. You can see 0000 with all the views I've been having. Let's go to my lifetime. For my lifetime, I've been able to make 0.38 cents. Like, how? And the total qualified views I've gotten is 8.1K. And my RPM is 0.04. Okay? So let's go to my analysis. I want to click my analysis and I want to view my analysis. So let's click for, I don't even know how to go about this analysis. I want to show you guys what I've been able, how many views I've been able to get for the past 60 days. Let's just use for 60 days. For the past 60 days, 1 million views. I've been able to achieve 1 million views. Let me just use for the past 60 days, not from this day I started creating content. 1 million views. And TikTok is telling me that the only qualified view, profile view, 7,000 something, likes 55K, comments 4,237, and what? Share 1,350. And for you, 84% for you, 14 from search. And at the end of the day, TikTok is telling me that the only qualified views is 8.1K view. How? Honestly, I'm not saying, okay, let me stop my screen record, okay? Let me even screenshot this one and stop my screen record. Okay, so honestly, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you should not open a TikTok account, but I'm just showing you that this is how much I've been able to earn. Imagine if I have that 1 million views on TikTok, on YouTube, or I have that 1 million views on Facebook. By now, this girl is down here for not this down here again. Maybe I want to put chair where they roll me up and down. Honestly, when it comes to TikTok monetization, it is very, very poor. That is just for you to know. Disclaimers, I'm not saying you should not have a TikTok account or you should go ahead and delete it. No, I'm not saying that. I still have my international TikTok account. I will just be posting. But I just want you to know that getting money from TikTok, it should be your side hustle. It should not be your main budget. Even the money that I use in buying my international TikTok account, I have not been able to recover it. The only good part is I trust myself. If I want to do something, I've been able to achieve the 10,000 and I've been able to get monetized. And that is what every one of you should be fighting for if you also want to have international TikTok accounts. But for you to think that international TikTok accounts will bring that whole food to your table, probably if it will be in future, because I believe in future time to come, their RPM might increase. And this is not coming from me alone. Even my friends are also showing me their RPM. Some of my friends have 0.001 RPM. Some of my friends have 0.00000 RPM. So is this still, are you still in that position that you want to buy international TikTok account? Come join me. I can show you where you can get it. I can show you where you can buy it. So the thing or the goggle or the jungle or anything of the whole matter is you are going to make money from TikTok, but just know that you're just going to make 80 pence out of it. So instead of forwarding my energy into my international TikTok account, because I put in a whole lot of energy, a whole lot of work, I just have to focus it on my YouTube and other things that I know that can bring money down to my table. Okay? If you don't know, live stream on TikTok pays better. I'm also going to do a video how much I've been able to earn for just one particular month from TikTok, and you guys are going to be amazed. Anyways, thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. If you find this video favorable, please do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me know what your decisions are in the comment section. If you are monetized on TikTok, how markets, how much you don't they get for your international TikTok account? If you want to still buy, contact me. I am ready for you. Anyways, bye guys. I love you. Mwah.